Friends, welcome this channel. Today's lesson is closer to create function instead closer to let's start function. So get service data, make this function, but adding closer, so completion type of escaping and type of int and return type of bool. This is our closer, but inside the function create some code. Generate random number like as int dot random number is 1 to 100 and let this return type of, so return value is a completion type of sending, this sending block and this in receiving block. This is send value and this is return value. So generate value is return in our closer. So completion is sending int value is generate number and the bool is return value is return store and print out. So print return value. So call this function get service data and open the closer is the completion block is type of int value. So if int value is less than or equal to 15, so return is true and else return is false. So int value is print out to check this return is properly not. So call this function and generate the random number is 38. So 30 is less than or equal 15. So condition is true and return is true. So store return and print out the return. And again run out our code. So generate 27 and return true. And repeat this, generate the 53 value. So integer generate value 53 is less than equal 50 is wrong condition, so print out and return false, so print out the false value. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.